YouTube started channel termination. YouTube has officially started terminating channels, and if you're a small creator, you might be next. No, this isn't fear-mongering. This is a direct warning from YouTube itself, hidden in plain sight. I'm talking about the Spam, Deceptive Practices, and Scams Policy. A policy so brutal, it can wipe out your entire channel overnight, even if you think you're playing by the rules. Today I'm breaking down the 6 deadly mistakes that trigger instant termination, and I'll show you exactly how to protect your channel, starting now. So what's going on? Why is this policy suddenly so critical? Simple. YouTube is cracking down hard. They want real creators, real engagement, and real value. And any behavior that looks spammy, deceptive, or like a scam is getting the axe. This isn't just about big corporations. Small creators, desperately trying to grow, are often the ones accidentally falling into these traps. I've analyzed YouTube's official policy, and there are some critical nuances you absolutely must understand. Let's dive into the first and perhaps most common, channel killer, misleading metadata or thumbnails. This is where most creators, especially those chasing views, make their fatal error. YouTube is crystal clear. If your title, thumbnail, or description promises something, but your video doesn't deliver it, you're in violation. The clickbait line is simple. The curiosity gap is fine. The video must contain the answer. If it's in the title, it has to be in the video. No exceptions. Next up, a killer for small channels trying to grow too fast. Incentivization spam. This is where you try to artificially inflate your numbers. Buying views, likes, or comments. Instant termination. But the sneaky part for small creators is sub 4 sub. Making a video saying, "I'll subscribe to you if you subscribe to me." That is a violation, the safe zone. You are allowed to encourage viewers to subscribe, hit the like button, share, or leave a comment. You're asking for engagement based on the value of your content, not bribing or trading for it. The third mistake often catches creators off guard: video spam. This isn't just about posting too much, it's about where you're sending people. A video titled, "Make $1,000 in 1 hour," that just pushes you to a sketchy pyramid scheme site is a prime example. The external link trap means if the sole purpose of your video is to drive traffic off YouTube to a malicious or deceptive site, your channel is at risk. This one should be obvious, but it's astonishing how many creators still fall for it. Scams. If your content promotes illegal pyramid schemes, promises guaranteed wealth without any real effort, or demands money with no tangible return, YouTube will not hesitate to terminate your channel. Keep it real, keep it legitimate. 2 quicker points, but no less deadly. Comment spam. If you're using comments to gather personal info, send people off YouTube deceptively, or just leaving repetitive messages, that's a violation. And third-party content, especially in live streams. If your live stream contains unauthorized copyrighted material and you ignore warnings, your stream can be cut and your channel can be hit. Monitor your streams. So what happens if you violate these policies? The consequences are severe. Monetization suspension, content removal, and the potential for a strike. The 3-strike rule is the ultimate killer. Get 3 strikes within 90 days and your channel is terminated. No going back. This is why auditing your content now is crucial. Understanding this policy isn't just about avoiding termination. It's about building a sustainable, ethical channel that YouTube wants to promote. You don't need to resort to spam or deceptive practices to grow. If you're a victim of this or you still doing this, let's gather in the comments community and drop your biggest challenge on YouTube. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Protect your channel, understand the rules, and don't forget to subscribe.